Hello friends. In this video, we will see something about LTM, that is a local traffic manager. How we are going to do the round robin, the scenario. How the client is going to access the servers which are there in the backend. Server 1, server 2, and server 3. There are 3 servers we have here. And they are all connected to the internal interface of the F5. External interface is connected to the outside cloud. And the external client PC is also been connected to the outside cloud. So the person who comes in to this particular, the interface, he will be touching this VIP. VIP, we will be setting it up. VIP is nothing but that virtual IP, we call it as virtual IP address. Means like the person will be accessing only that virtual IP address to access the backend service. So the FI LTM will be doing the round robin process. Through that, it will be giving that server 1, server 2, server 3. Like that, he will be able to get that content as per his wishes. Okay. So this is the basic, the technology which we use it normally, the scenario which we are going to see that it is quite very basic things. And most of the load balancers are using the same similar, like in all over the world, you can just say that. But there are many other, the techniques also there to do the load balancing. So you'll be seeing in that, in the coming up video. So please watch this diagram. Like this is the diagram which has been that this is an LTM. We just got the management IP of that, 10.1.1.10, which I kept it. And the 10.2.2.10 is going to be the internal interface, and external interface is the 192.168.10.145. In the same subnet, the external PC has to be connected. So when he is accessing here, there will be an adding will be done, or automap. We'll discuss it later anyway. And he will be connecting to this another service. And because of this techniques, round robin is a technology which has been used for to access his servers on the back end. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, he'll be start accessing that. Okay. So let me go back to the Firefox, where I will be logging into this big IP configuration utility. So I typed the address 10.1.1.10 here. You can just see this is the management IP. So I'm going to log into the admin with the password. You can set this password whatever you want, but default password is going to be admin only. But I change this password. I'll let you know how to change the password. Okay. So for this one, we are going to see that round robin, the type of load balancing. Let's see. Let me log into that. So I logged into the device. Now you can see that in the reference side corner, online, active, and it is a standalone. Standalone in the sense this is not paired with any other LTM. Means we will be seeing the activity of the high availability and other things are later, very hyphened up. That we'll see later. Okay. So first we'll see that what is the host name of this big IP 171.romnet.local, and the IP address is 10.1.1.10, and the username is an admin, and the role is an administrator, and what is the time and date it is being shown. So what we need to do, the first thing that we need to go to this local traffic, and we have to set up the nodes. Nodes in the sense the servers. We seen 3 servers, right? Those 3 servers need to be made available for the load balancers to do the balancing between the servers. Okay, let's create that. I have the 3 servers which are already been set up as CentOS 1, and I'll be providing the address of this. It's a 10.2.2.21, which we seen in this. So health monitors, we will discuss that very much in detail later. Let's go with this node default. The ratio is 1. Connection limit is 0. Connection rate limit is a 0. I'll just say click repeat because I would like to add more servers to that. So I have 3 servers in my hand. So CentOS 1, CentOS 2, CentOS 3. So let me repeat. I'll start with the CentOS 2, and the address is going to be 10.2.2.22. Node default, ratio is 1. Then one more server need to get added, so I'll go for a repeat. CentOS 3, I will add it. Address is going to be 10.22.22.23 is address. Description, you can give it like where, which rack, like in which department it has been staying there. So it is actually not required for us, so I'm not touching anything. So these are all going to be the configuration is going to be the small, like the as it is. So because of the 3 servers are added already, so I'll just click finished. Now all 3 servers are added to this. It is showing that the colors are something as like, blue box, blue square. Each and every color of the things which make sense. Okay. We'll come to that later. Now we have added the 3 servers here to get load balanced. The IPs are 1021, 1022, 1023. Okay. Now we'll have to create the pool. This is the second step. Pool list. There is no pools are there. What we need to do? We have to create the pool. Just click create. So I'll give a name like demo pool. Sorry, the demo pool. And I have to use a health monitor. Because we are using the HTTP 80, means it is going to be the plain HTTP 80 because it's the first lab. So we will just choose the health monitor as an HTTP. Just add it. Now it is saying HTTP is a health monitor. Resources. Here we just need to choose the load balancing method. What all the methods are there? I'll just show you. So many are there. We just see round robin, ratio, least connection, observe, predictive, ratio, node, least connections. So many other things are there. So what we are going to do now, because it is the first lab, so we will use a round robin. Okay. And it is saying priority ground group activation. Currently it has been disabled. Leave it as disabled. We'll go to the next lab with some other, settings and other things. Now we need to add the members to this group. Means we added the servers there. So we'll have to add the members as a, like the servers as a members here. Let's click on this node list to get the details about this. You see that CentOS 1, 10.2.2.21. It is automatically taking. Service port, I'm going to select it as an HTTP because we are running the web server on this. Just click add. First server is added. Let me go to the second server, 22. Same port, same protocol, add it. Then I'll add the third server. Same port and same protocol. Click add. I'll just click it finished. What I did here, I'll show you again. I given the name for the pool. Okay. Then I use the health monitor as an HTTP. Load balancing method I choose is round robin. Priority group is currently disabled. Then I need to add all the 3 servers one by one. So I just click the node list. Yeah. So I added all the 3 servers here. Those are all port number 80 has been done. Now I can just click finished. This is the demo pool. Right? The demo pool, you can just click and see the details of this. So it is saying available, enabled now. Because this pool is actually checking the backend servers whether they are running or not. They are currently running with the health monitor of HTTP. Let's go to the members. You see all 3 are coming as a green. Earlier we seen that blue color box was there, the rectangle, something like that. Now it is becoming as a green color, means servers are ready now. Statistics, we can go for it. Currently it has been 0 because there is no traffic has been forwarded to these servers through the VIP. Okay, so what are the steps we completed? We gone to this local traffic. We created the node list. All 3 we created. Then we created the pools, demo pool. We added the 3 servers to this. Then we'll have to go to the virtual servers. Virtual service is nothing but the virtual IP. We are going to create it. Virtual IP is nothing but a virtual server. We call VIP. You can call it as like anything. So virtual service list, it's actually nothing is there. So I'm going to create now. We just click create. So I'll give it the name as a demo VIP 1. You can give any name, not a problem. So type is going to be the standard. So many are there: forwarding L2, forwarding IP, performance HTTP. So many are there. For the time being, we will choose, because it's the first practical, we'll be doing it like a standard. And a source address can be from anywhere. So I'll have to choose this. Anywhere is in the sense all 0 is anywhere. And destination is going to be the IP address which we are looking for. The people will be accessing this IP from the outside. Means it should be on the external subnet. 192.168.1.125. So this is the IP we will give it to the people who are coming from the outside to access the web servers inside. Okay. Then the service port is going to be HTTP. Definitely, it's a port number 80. And I'll have to see that node status to virtual address. Status is enabled. I have to make it enabled. It's automatically enabled. And these are all, we will come back to this later because this is currently doesn't make any sense for us because we are doing a very basic load balancing method. Okay, these are all coming as in the HTTPS connections. We'll do that later. And this point is very important. VLANs and tunnel traffic. We can choose this as all VLANs and tunnels, not an issue. But here we'll have to say source address translation. The source address will be translated using the automap or an SNAT. For the currently time being, we will use the automap. Automatically, it will map the IP to translate it to access the inside web servers on this. That is nothing but an automap. Okay. Then content rewrite, we are not looking for. Accelerations, we are not looking for. And resources, nothing to be checked here. This is a very important point. The pool need to be selected, the demo pool. So what are the settings we have done it here? I'll go through once more. Given the name, like anything I given, I just given like a demo VIP1. Type is a standard. Source address is from anywhere. And destination address, this is what the client is going to have it. So I given is from the external subnet. 192.168.10.125. And the port number is 80 HTTP. And the state is enabled. Configurations, I skipped it. The last two things I chose on that. All VLANs and tunnels. Source address translation is an automatic. Then I come to this acceleration as a basic things, not to touch this. Resources pool need to get selected. I'll just click finished. Now you see the green color. Green color is nothing but it is activated. You just open it and see the settings if you'd like to see it once more. Here it is. Same setting. It's saying that it has been alive and running. So how to verify this network map? We can go to this network map to see what all things are there. You see that? It's a green color. Demo VIP1, demo pool, and whether there are 3 servers which are green color. Okay. So what we can do now is we will go and check out this whether this is running. 92.168.10.125. It's coming. Welcome to web server 1 via F5. We may have to give some time to check it. Now it's coming as a web server 2. Let's take some time. 3 has to respond. For that, what I did, I added one, auto refresh page. Just see this. This is an auto refresh page. So every 5 seconds, auto refresh page. Let's go with an advanced options. Every 5 seconds, this particular page will get automatically refreshed. And I can click clear the cache as well. And it will reload the page in the every 5 seconds. Let me just click it out. I don't need to go and do the refreshing every time manually. It will do automatically. Now it is running. Can you see? For 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, this particular page will get refreshed. Web server 1, web server 3. Then it will be coming as a 2, like this. Okay. This will keep on running. What we can do, we can go back to this main setup. Then we'll get into this, pools. You can get into the statistics. You can see the statistics here. can see this highlights. This pool is completely with the 113.2. Okay. And CentOS server 1 is having the 38, 2 is having the 60, 3 is having the 13K. But this figure is actually, I can even keep it like a 10 seconds refreshing also. Why there is a difference between these things? Because of I'm running all the 3 servers in my own PC. BIGIP is also running in the same PC, right? Checking is also happening on the same PC. So the resource crunch is there because already the Windows 10 is running on my PC. It's only the 60 GB. Maybe it is a CPU is a i7 with some mini cores on this one, but still there is a heavy load on the PC which runs everything on this. Okay, so that's why we are seeing some differences on this. Otherwise, we'll be seeing that exactly the same thing will be coming up. So how many connections are made? Like how many is the total? How many requests has been made? How many requests, re-queued requests, something like that, queuing like that. So instead of making this as, like refreshing and other things, I can stop this. What I can do, I'll go back to this external PC which I have. Let me do one thing. Here I will select it and I will reset it completely. Okay, it is completely resetted. Let me stop this, not to refresh the screen. So all are 0 now. It is hitting 0. What I did, I have one client PC which I created. That client PC IP is 192.168.10.25. So I'll log into this PC. This is also a CentOS. This is the client, which I can say that IP address of this. This falls in the same, the subnet of the external interface of the VIP. I have written one code. Let me show you the code. This is the code. I'm going to change this IP. It's a 25. Let me explain this. This is a small code which is running on this external PC, which will be accessing the VIP. This is the VIP address. You know that 192.168.10.125 is the VIP address. This VIP address will be verified or it will be accessed by how many times? Less than 100. Means in the sense, it will do that I is equal to 0. It will start from 0. Then it goes until 100. In the sense, it will be doing that. It's like a small program I written. So I plus plus, it will be keep on increasing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will go until 100 and this script will stop. What is the CURL? They may be asking that. Command URL we normally say. If it is in a Linux environment, you are coming from the Linux side, you will be knowing that very easily. You don't require any like a Firefox, a Chrome, or Edge, or a browsers to access a website. We can use the CURL command from the terminal screen of the Linux. So what I'm doing that for do, this is a for loop actually. There's a for loop is been written. Do the curl in the sense, go try access this HTTP 192.168.10.125. Then you can ask me what is the sleep. Before accessing the second site, means like before accessing the second attempt, wait for 1 second. We can increase the timing. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 10 second also I can give that. Then done is nothing but whenever this 100 has been finished, it will finish and come out of this loop. Okay. This may be very new to you, but I'm just explaining it again. Start from 0, go until 100. So this will be the increment. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it will go. What to do this for? Do the curl operation. Curl means try to access this website. Okay. And with each and every access means first attempt, second attempt, before going to the second attempt, wait for 1 second. Like that 100 times means 100 seconds it will go for. Then once it has been finished with the 100, then done it with it. I'll just click enter. Now you see second server, third server, first server. It will keep on accessing it with the limit of like what is it? Sleep 1 means 1 second it will be waiting. Let me go back to this refreshing page. I'll just give the 10 seconds auto refresh. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it will refresh. You see, there is a change, 27K and 27K. This is taking 33. That's why I'm saying that. I'm whoever the server is responding so quickly, that is, that is getting the page out of this. Whenever, even if I'm running the, with the script or something like that to access the backend service, please don't go by this, the statistics of it, because we are running every other resource on the same server. Okay. So this is the VMware workstation which I'm running. You see that all the servers are running on this. All 3 servers running. Client is also running, as well as I'm running the BIGIP. Also, I'm running that. So now it is getting increased. You see that. Every 10 seconds, it will go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Refresh. So now it is increasing. Can you see this limit is coming up now correctly? 83, 83, 83. So if you're getting that correct exact figure, you're lucky one. Okay? 84, 84. Now I say the 88. So this figure will be always changing. Actually, we are saying that we are saying round robin. Round robin is nothing but goes to first server, second server, third server. Again, first server, second server, third server. First, second, third. First, second, third. It has to come in that way. In one other place, one other time, we may be seeing that the figure is coming up so clear. Because once it has been accessing that servers, it is getting that limit. So now this is both are 94. Now this is 88. Still it is staying. So how many attempts it's been made, which I don't know. I'll have to go back and see that whether the script has been finished or not. Let's go back here. Yeah, it is finished now. So let's come back. This will be the last figure. It will stay out like this only. So server 1 responded with the 88K. Server 2 responded with the 94. Server 3 responded with the 94. I can stop this. So I guess you're all very much clear about the round robin method of doing the load balancing. Okay. Let's go to the next lab. Thank you.